Hi, my name is Christine Gaudet, and I am the pre-K teacher at St. Charles Borromeo Catholic School, and we're in the enrichment room, and we are talking about the Giving Tuesday and where the money could go, and we thought it would be a great opportunity to supply some materials for the first and second grade and third grade so the children can work on some of the materials in their classrooms. So we appreciate your donations, and we thank you for all your support at St. Charles. Thank you. So this first material is called the large bead frame. The large bead frame is the focal point of place value and building numbers. This student here has built a lot of numbers to see the patterns go up to 9 before they change categories, and it's a foundational material for them for further mathematics and all the different algorithms. Usually when there are problems in mathematics, it's based in number sense and place value. So this is a very important material that will benefit the children in many ways. We can also do addition and subtraction and borrowing and multiplication on this material. This is called a bead bar box. This is a very useful tool, so they have manipulatives for addition, subtraction, and multiplication. They're able to take multiples of these and be able to count for the multiplication tables, and then ultimately have them memorized for all of their facts. So this is a very useful material for the classroom. This is called the stamp game. This is also rooted in place value. The colors are all consistent from what I've shown you before. The children can learn how to exchange and actually if they have 10, they exchange for a 10, or if they have 10 tens, they exchange for 100. This material can be used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So it's a multi-used material, and we can also use this for long division as well. So this is the unit division board. This is where the children can learn division. If they can count, they can divide. We start this at a very young age. And as they go on and they divide, they'll learn remainders. And then this also goes into long division, where they have the subtraction underneath, where it actually the children can see how the division algorithm is done with materials. So this has a multi-purpose use, and it's for the abstraction of learning the long division algorithm ultimately over time. And they can, at a very young age, they can do problems that are very large and extensive. So this is the fraction material. It's very movable, made of metal, and it's a very useful material at a very young age and for older children. So the children can first represent, they see the families of fractions, they see that the denominator says the name of the family, and the numerator says how many of that particular family. They also can do equivalence with this material, and they have a great visual where they have a half and they can see what family fits into that half, so they see the patterns of this. We also can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions with this material. Okay, this is called the checkerboard. This is where children, after they've learned their facts to some degree, not necessarily memorized, they can actually start doing long multiplication. This can go up to 4 digits by 3 digits. They understand why the zeros are being used because they can see it and see that particular pattern. This particular material can be used for 4 to 5 years for the level as they grow up with complexity of equations. It can go with them too. Very, very useful material.
The enrichment room has been helping me learn my division, math, and subtraction, and it's just really fun to come in here.
4, 3, 2 times 2, and you had already figured this one out, right? Okay, and then this is which one? This one here? No. Okay, but let's look at you need 3,324. We need to change this. So you're going to use these, and we're going to change the actual equation.
It's really fun here. My favorite thing to work on is the volcano, and I like it because you get to erect it.
I'm working on division. I'm going to show you what division is. So I figured out this problem. It's called 20 divided by 3, and I figured out by counting by 3s all the way to 7 and taking away these 3 dots right here. There used to be 3 dots right here, and you write it where you put a circle there, and then you write the one that has all of them. 6 right here, and then you put the remainder 2. It equals 6 remainder 2.
I love doing multiplication because it helps me learn more in my class. So we add, so there's 8 on the left, I think that is. So we put 8 at the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we add 9 and 6 for the 1. And then you switch out 10 for these. 6, 7, 8, and then switch out for one of these. 51, 52, 53, 66 is the answer, so that's why he's doing this big.
Hello, thank you so much for checking out our webpage, talking about our campaign for this year. Thank you so much for your considered support of our campaign for this year, and I hope and pray you have a wonderful day. God bless.